Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line annotations here are coming from. But overall, things definitely started off very rough. Things got great, things got sketchy, and then things ultimately closed and everything's looking okay here. So, I mean, things started rough with the gap down, and then the price after the gap down came all the way there, and then the price just roared to life. Went all the way up there, then things got pretty rough as the price rolled back over. So at this rollback point, it always becomes a little sketchy because it's a question of, is this thing going to go right back to where it was at its lows? Is this level of support going to fail? But no, the price came right down here. Didn't quite hit that green line, but close enough. And then from there, price got a nice little bounce right there. So good to see that 241 when all the dust has essentially settled, has indeed held as support. Sure, temporarily violated this morning, but that didn't last very long. And in fact, that was the level that, really catapulted the price back to the upside. So 241, nothing new there to report as far as levels of support, other than the fact of good to see that that level was indeed able to hold as support. And then also down here at this other level I've talked about at 237, that's a little bit of a stretch for me to say, well, it got close. It got within the general vicinity. But the overall idea here is that there weren't any sort of major violations to the downside, which is good to see. Granted, yes, there was this pullback here from its highs, but overall, a good, healthy day, considering that at one point and with that pullback, it really did become the question of, is this thing about to collapse and fall apart? And the chart didn't. Now, what about areas of resistance now headed into Wednesday? Key level to watch now going forward is right up here at $2.55, which I've talked about several times in past videos, and you can see that, surprise, surprise, once again, 255 has shown up as that level of resistance. But I mean, if you go through the history of things, you can see this area has been a big thorn in the side of the chart. So not saying the price can't break above that level, just saying that, it makes sense why the price did eventually run out of steam up around there, and that remains that key battleground going forward. But all in all, a wild day, but we'll see if the bulls can try to get things under control some more and then give another go up to 255. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.